time.
We have a late season system pushing through our area, so you're noticing a big change in the weather today.
Yeah, it's
probably.
cool.
It's cool. We have even a chance at a little bit of drizzle here and there. Saw some up to the north. That continues through the day as this system pushes through the area. Take a look outside right now. There's your cloud cover that we have across Southern California, Mount Wilson, and a pretty picture, although it is, again, a little blustery with that wind blowing in your face. Not too bad here at the broadcast center, 74 degrees. Our daytime highs down a little bit from yesterday. Oh, there's a little bird flying through. Down a little bit from yesterday and running just a touch below average for this time of year. So let us start off right now with a pinpoint forecast. We're going to go to the valley here, the San Fernando Valley, where it's going to be about 58 for dinner time this evening, 60 degrees overnight, 74 for tomorrow. We are looking at cooler weather there. A front moving through with some gusty winds, patchy drizzle out there, maybe even some snow flurries up in the mountains. None of it really sticking at all, so it's just a little flurry here and there. High clouds continue, but there is a general warming trend. Here's the latest look at the current winds, and just doing it, putting the color in here just so you can get an idea of where we're seeing the worst of the winds. And you see it stretching from Ventura County into the high desert here from Lancaster to Barstow. Also some winds down to the south as well. Anticipating a high of about 68 degrees downtown. Now that's shy of that 74 average. Yesterday we were below average, so that's 2 days where we are running just a touch off the mark. Sunset at 7:41 and your sunrise before the 6 o'clock hour. Still that strong onshore flow as the base of this trough moves through the area. The onshore flow is going to keep us on the cool side. It's going to keep us windy, especially up in the high desert. As I said, those westerly winds, so it's coming right across from west to east, right across the high desert. Our passes and canyons also getting pretty gusty as well. We pull the picture back. Here's the trough that we're talking about. The center of the low right now swinging through, and this is your trough, your cold air, and of course the clouds. And as that low continues to move through, there's not a whole lot of moisture to work with, but what does come through, we may squeeze out a little bit of shower activity here and there. It will be light. It won't be a big deal. Waiting for that high pressure to move in because that's going to be over the weekend. Looks like actually end of the weekend into beginning of next week, that high starts bumping right in to the west coast, and that's going to help to give us some warmer weather. So, but we're going to have to wait a few days for it. It's going to be a gradual warming trend after today. 50s today, 51 overnight tonight, Moreno Valley, 50 in San Bernardino, 48 Lake Elsinore. We've got mid-50s and low 50s as you make your way through the LA Basin and up in Ventura County. It's going to be into the 40s, 47 in Thousand Oaks. Daytime highs for tomorrow into the 60s and 70s, 74 for Northridge. We've got 71 in Anaheim, 73 for Chino, and all the way off to the east, we're looking at some low 70s as well. Here's your forecast now. We've got 70 degrees for tomorrow, 72 on Thursday, warmer for Saturday and Sunday as that offshore flow kicks in. Look at that, 90 by Tuesday, so we are looking at some warmer weather.